Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and coming to you from Blaine, Minnesota. And I just put together the second L-shaped raised garden bed. I have two L-shaped, basically twin garden beds or raised beds, and I'm going to put a bench in between the two of them for a fire pit. And then I'm going to add a deer fence around the outside of the beds with a drop down or open up door to get at all the food inside. I'm going to turn you around and show you what we got. And there's one of them. This one here, we got landscape fabric is in, got cardboard in. I'm going to fill it with some compost, bags of compost, or of leaves and sticks and everything. I'm going to be pouring in here, and then I'm going to put soil over the top of that sometime today. I'll try to get them filled all the way up today. And in the bottom we put 1/2-inch hardware mesh. That is so the critters cannot burrow through underneath and get at the food. So that's just an extra layer of protection there for the critters underneath, and then we'll put the little fence around it for the critters on top. But I'll show you a little more once I get both of these ready to fill with soil. Check back soon. See ya.